channel. Thank you guys for stopping back at my channel again. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Dodos. Please do not hesitate to join the family. Hit the subscribe button down below. I post videos every Tuesdays, so yes, I would love to see you guys here. If you've seen my video twice and you have still not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'm side-eyeing you. Listen, you guys, this thing is free. Like, just hit the subscribe button, join the family. You know you'll be here next week to watch these videos that I'm putting out, so please, I would really love for you guys to subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. Getting dressed gets me out of that lazy, grumpy morning look. It's actually like a mood booster for me. I really love dressing up, even if I'm not going anywhere. I feel like it makes me more productive, unlike days where I don't dress up or I don't shower and I'm just like being a slob and lazing about all day. Last week, I was saying how I needed to do my laundry. I had like bags of clothes from 3 weeks. And my friends were like, but why do you have bags of laundry? And I was just like, oh wow, most people are not dressing up. Like, most people are just staying home in like their pajamas or their nightie all day, 7 days a week. And I'm just like, nah, at home. I feel like most people don't dress up at home because they feel like, oh, it's just too much, it's gonna be tight, oh, I won't be comfortable, I just want to be free. And so in picking your outfits that you wear at home, you have to think of those key things. Number one, it has to be comfortable. Number two, it has to look nice and make you just feel elevated and, you know, productive even if you're still home. You already know I'm a fan of loose clothes, things that are very comfortable, boyfriend shirts, boyfriend trousers. There are loads of things that I'm going to be pulling out from my boo's wardrobe because like that's just what this union is about. I need to be able to wear your clothes. If not, what's the point of me being married to you if I can't wear your clothes, you know? Just say. Let me show you from pajama sets to loose pants to kimonos, just everything that I'm currently rocking at the moment. So this is my stay-at-home comfortable loungewear lookbook, if you know what I mean. So I'm giving you guys a bunch of suggestions and you can recreate it with your pieces at home. You don't have to go shopping. If you want to shop online, you can.
So this first outfit is literally just a loose t-shirt and this jogger set. Super comfortable. I like my t-shirt super loose. This is from H&M and my joggers has pockets on the sides and I literally wear these all around the house. You can see me dancing and that's because it's so comfortable and super cute. Look 2 is this joggers and my husband's shirt. This is just a loose menswear shirt that you can wear all day at home. Sometimes I tuck it in, other times I just have the pockets of my joggers down and I'm just able to be comfortable and super chilled. I love this shirt. I love loose clothes, as you can tell already. Now going into my third look, this is a t-shirt that I got from Zara and these baggy jeans that I got from Zara as well. They're really nice, they're super comfortable. I like jeans that are free just so that I have room in them and I have space to move around. As you can see, this jeans isn't tight at all and so I love it. This is a v-neck t-shirt and loose pants. These pants are super chilled, super comfortable. They're not tight, although the waist is a bit tight, but the body of these pants are free. They're almost like palazzo pants and so I love to wear them at home. Now this is a mini skirt. You can see how free this is on my waist and my loose shirt. I just wear this most times at home. Sometimes I tuck it in, other times I roll up my sleeves, and it's just super chic but still comfortable to wear at home. I really love mini skirts. And this is just super chilled, super cute. I wear this all around the house and it's super comfortable as well. It's like a mini shift dress. Can I call this a shift dress? Yes, it's super cute and I love it. It just literally adds a bit of color to your wardrobe and a bit of color to your life, which we all need right now. This is a shirt dress and I got this from Zara. It has pockets, super comfortable. It's just made from cotton and I love how effortless it looks. This is another shirt dress as well. I got this from a Nigerian brand called Maju and it's super cool, super fresh, and it's super breezy. Literally, I can feel air going through my body whenever I wear this outfit. Most times, this is something I'll wear if I had to quickly go for a run, either to get food stuff or just anything, as you can see. But yes, this is that going to get groceries look. Now, this is a look that I wear if I'm having like a FaceTime call or if I'm having like a virtual makeup class, which I usually do. Is just a silk pajama set. I wear these, it's super comfortable and it just feels luxurious. On the day where I really feel like looking bougie, I wear this silk pajama set from a Nigerian brand called Nale Apparel. This is a pajama set as well and it's in linen. I'm wearing it with a cami. Sometimes I wear the cami, other times I do not, but either ways it's super comfortable, super chilled. Sometimes I create content when I'm dressed like this. Other times I just walk out from my home office and I feel super productive. I also got that piece from a Nigerian brand called Maju. And now these are just a pair of white shorts and a cami. I got the shorts from Mango. I'm going to be pairing it with this kimono that I got from my mom. I think she bought it in Japan. And this is just a silk kimono. It's almost like a robe. I wear this around the house when I'm wearing something very skimpy and just feel like having something all over my body or something just to cover my body from being cold. This is super comfortable and I love it. Now I'm going to be wearing my husband's pair of trousers. You can get this from any traditional Nigerian menswear trousers, and I'm just pairing that with this extra stretchy top that I have from Zara. Super chilled, super cool, super fresh and comfortable. I absolutely love these. I mean, these are amazing pieces that I wear and enjoy rocking at home indoors. This is an easy breezy maxi dress. It's not too flowy on the floor. It has like this cutout at the back, super pretty. I wear these at home as well. I really think that depending on your lifestyle, you can find an outfit that works for you and works with your lifestyle. Please let me know which look is your favorite, which look you'll be rocking. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, if this is gonna be the new normal, I want to feel good even when I'm at home. That's the reason why I do my skincare. That's the reason why I do my everyday, light makeup look. That's the reason why I'm gonna be dressing up, because to be honest, just enjoy your life. Live today to the fullest, that's what I believe. Tell me how you rate like my fashion content, because really that's the inspiration for me to continue, because I feel weird every time I do fashion videos, even if I'm a fashion girl, you know what I mean? But yes, if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, click the notification bell down below so that you can be updated once I post a video. Thank you guys for watching again. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.